You spend weeks designing a syllabus, carefully plotting out every module and topic. But at the end of that process, you are usually left with a static document that does nothing to actually operate your class. Today, we are going to convert that static PDF into a fully interactive course hierarchy, breaking it down into courses, modules, topics, and lessons in under 10 minutes. You will need 3 items ready to go: your capstone syllabus file, the manual course outline you planned previously, and your open items register. This digital translation is a required step. The structure you build here dictates exactly how your students navigate the course, and it strictly defines the context boundaries for your AI tutor. Step 1 is defining your rules of engagement. Log in, open your profile, and navigate to the Persona tab. Here, you must define 4 specific parameters for the system: your teaching philosophy, your areas of expertise, your stylistic preferences, and any topics the AI must explicitly avoid. This mockup shows the About Me settings, with a rule banning idealized frictionless examples entered into the Things to Avoid box. Skipping this configuration leaves the AI guessing, resulting in generic proposals that ignore your specific teaching methods. Once you enter your parameters, the co-professor summary immediately updates, locking your exact constraints into its working memory. By dedicating 5 minutes to this interface, you permanently govern how the AI interprets your syllabus and shapes every future course proposal you request. Now let's start building. Create a new course shell and enter the Creator Console. The Creator Console splits your workspace into 3 vertical panels: Hierarchy Architect on the left, Preview in the center, and Co-Professor Agent on the right. In the Agent panel, simply attach your syllabus PDF by dropping it directly into the conversation. Before asking for a full course build, ask the AI a warm-up question. Have it identify the natural module boundaries in your document to ensure it reads the text correctly. Once you confirm its reading comprehension, open the menu and request the formal structure proposal. The system needs about a minute to reason through the document, so do not close your browser tab while it processes. If your document is exceptionally long, the AI automatically summarizes it first, allowing the agent to grasp your entire design without being restricted by technical context window limits. The AI will return a proposed action card. This card details the exact module, topic, and lesson hierarchy it intends to generate. This mockup shows the proposed action card over an empty workspace. Deliberately trigger a rejection on this first proposal. Click Reject. Look at the course tree. Absolutely nothing changed. This proves the AI lacks unilateral execution power. It only alters your course with explicit permission. Now run the follow-up sequence. Request the structure a second time, review the new proposal to ensure it aligns with your syllabus, and authorize the approval. The hierarchy panel will instantaneously populate with all of your newly approved nodes. By testing this rejection pathway first, you shift the platform's safety claims from a blind assumption into a verified fact, logging it clearly in your register. You now have a working draft. Open the course outline you planned manually and cross-reference it against the AI's generated tree. Apply your Adopt, Modify, Reject, and Reorder framework. Rename notes for clarity, delete unwanted lessons, and add missing items. The platform enforces strict grammar. Attaching a lesson directly to a course fails. Lessons only exist under topics, and topics under modules. Maintaining this organized grammar prevents immediate downstream risks. A sloppy tree creates confusing navigation for students and directly muddles the scope of the AI tutoring agent. This mockup highlights the hierarchy toolbar. Because the architecture is server-side, a page refresh will instantly delete any unsaved mid-edit work. Hit the Save button now to finalize your edits. This refinement phase is the critical juncture where your institutional knowledge overrides the AI. The agent read the syllabus. You provide the pedagogical intent. In a matter of minutes, you imported a static document, successfully governed the AI's proposal, and refined it into a fully operational digital course tree. The platform handled the tedious data entry, while you remained the exclusive architect of the course design. With your structural skeleton established, the next operational step is attaching your physical media, like video lectures and slide decks, directly to these established nodes. Mastering this workflow turns your plan into an active curriculum. Your syllabus is now the functional skeleton of a digital classroom.